You're so special, something that you can't control, yeah. You're so special, I just wanna get a hold on, yeah. You're so special, I ain't gonna let you go, no,
no. Okay, LA Life Gang, I said that we were gonna give you Vlogmas. This is day 2 for our Vlogmas, and we are at Zariah and Jules High School. Just had a meeting, and I had to bring all these kids. We're waiting for Jewel to come out right now. But this one here is loud.
What's poppin'? What's poppin' LA to life? You're
here for what?
It's for candy.
Yo, what's poppin' LA to life?
I'm going to Dolly Tree.
Make sure y'all go like, comment, and share that new freaking video. It's a banger!
I'm going to go to Dollar Tree, guys.
And what are you getting at Dollar Tree?
Huh? So, I'm getting tacos.
Are y'all ready for college?
Yep.
Are you ready for college?
Mommy, look. I'm ready for high school. I'm ready for high school, you know.
College.
I got one more. I got one
She
more.
said she wants to get in it. Okay, you going to college, right? Yeah. All right.
I gotta finish one more year in middle school, and then
high school.
I'm gonna be in high school. All my little friends that already go here, you know. Cause I don't really mess with 6th graders. And
you can get into them
7th graders,
tomorrow,
you know?
or whenever you see them.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, we about to walk out. Okay,
You
we're gonna
see
give you a
this
little
quality,
tour of
though?
the.
Like, do you see
I
it?
know, right?
Do you see it? Like, you
Upgrade. I did a video about upgrading. All right, yeah, we see y'all later. We are out. We live in one of the buildings. We went to another one. Fix your shirt. Your jacket. She said you was digging in your booty over there.
I guess we can go down the stairs.
Done. Beautiful. Pass gas and everybody.
Jeez, Mom, it is.
Ooh, what? She stuck. Jeez, what's your bag?
Like 2 years of bastard.
We gotta fit the windows down. Lord mercy.
My stomach hurts.
My mouth, I had to go. Blow it out your mouth because it just like hit your mouth. Oh. So we are now grocery shopping, and I kind of forgot to get the inside.
I'm very cold.
Sarah, move. Leave her alone.
I wish
Look,
it was
get
hot.
your head over there.
I'm hot. Let's talk
That's
about
like nothing.
you win. I'll catch your bag. They know how.
So we decide. What are we having tonight?
Ice cream.
Enchiladas.
No, we not. Nachos. Do we have everything? I feel like we're missing something.
Peppers.
We got peppers.
Salsa. Nacho cheese. I mean, queso sauce. Ooh, it's so cold.
Yep.
My friend said he gonna like, comment, and share a video.
Thank you. Shout out.
He's a stalker. He stalks our
What's his
family. His
name?
name is
Nuh-uh.
Bryce.
Shout out
Hey
to
Bryce,
you,
if
Bryce.
you're
Thanks for
watching
your
this
support.
video. Hi Bryce.
This will be put down tonight, so thanks for your support. Make sure you like, share,
If my
subscribe.
face look a little weird, don't mind me.
Alright.
I'm hot. Like that go around. Get with me.
The grocery store and Sire bought her ice cream.
Come on. Brand new if it's noisy, come doing the noise. Don't care about your boy.
I'm not thinking about him. Where you go? Zariah! Zariah!
Dollar Tree.
We are. Calm down. Okay, come on. I'll get it right here. It's no caramel. It's no caramel. It's all one. Vanilla. Aaliyah, you got your own money. No one wants to like there. Sire. Sire's ready to run in. We're visiting a new church. Janaya was the main one saying she wanted to go. Then we get here and she like, I don't know. She got attitude. That's how you. Ooh.
Don't ask me for my phone. Leave me alone.
Big man. Big man.
Come on, let's go, y'all. Ouch.
I'm